Modals and semimodals. Let's go. Let's start with the modal verb can. Firstly, we can use it to show ability or possibility. Tom can play the piano well. Next, we can use can to make a request. Can you pass me that pencil? And we can use can to give permission. Here. You can borrow some money. For requests and permission, can is informal. The word can't. It shows inability. I can't read the map. It can be used to show something impossible or hard to believe. You can't be hungry, you've just eaten. Could. Could has a few uses. First, we can use it to talk about ability in the past. It is the past of can. I could run fast when I was young. We can use it to talk about possibility in the present or future. We could watch a movie if we have time. We'll see. We can use it to make a polite request. Could you help me? And we can use it for suggestions. You could ask James to help. Couldn't. This word shows inability in the past. I couldn't answer the question. And it shows impossibility in the present. It couldn't be Dave at the door. He's in France. May. This word can be used to show present or future possibility. He may come to the party if he feels better. It can be used for polite requests. May I open the window? And it is used for permission giving or refusing. You may not eat in the library. You may leave early today. Might. Might shows possibility in present or future. We use it to show we are less certain than when we use may. He might come to the party if he feels better. He may come is slightly more sure. Also, it is the past of may. He said he might come to the party. Will. Will is used to make a prediction, or to show certainty for the future. He will fix the computer. Don't worry. It can be used to show willingness and for spontaneous decisions. You're going shopping. I'll come. It can be used to make a request. Will you lower the volume, please? And to make a refusal. I won't help if you don't try first. Would. We use would for polite requests. Would you call the hotel and check our reservation? We can also use it for past habit and repeated actions. I would visit my grandparents every weekend. And finally, it is the past of will. I knew he would win. Shall. Shall can be used for suggestions and offers, with I or we. Shall we go to the park? Also for future intentions, it is quite formal. I shall attend the meeting next week. Should and ought to. First, we can use should and ought to show obligation. You ought to should apologize. We can use them to give advice. You should stop eating so much junk. To make polite suggestions. Should we help her? And to show what we expect to happen. The weather ought to heat up soon. Must. We use must to show necessity or obligation. You must stop spending so much. We can show almost certainty. You must be excited about your trip. And for strong recommendations. The book is great. You must read it. Mustn't. We use this mighty word to show strong prohibition. You mustn't feed the animals. You mustn't copy her answers. Needn't. It means you don't have to. You needn't cook today. Let's order. Be able to. We use this semi-modal to talk about ability. We use it instead of can and after may, might, should and so on. I won't be able to help later. John might be able to help you. And finally, have to and don't have to. We use it for obligation or necessity. I didn't have to go to work today.